So how we can record a recurring sales invoice? On left-hand sidebar, go to sales invoices, and on top header there is repeat sales invoices. So click on create a repeat sales invoice. Description, I will have monthly subscription for Lucy. I can change a currency if, for example, I would have enabled the multi-currencies. In my case, I have only British pounds, but you can have euros or dollars. It's how you do your business. Then I will add a line. I will select my monthly subscription and I have rate of 25. I can still change it if needed, for example to 20. And then I have duration and frequency. So I can select how often this recurring invoice need to happen. So because it's monthly subscription, I would say that it need to happen until end of December of this year. So let's say 31st. Start date, I would say is 1st of May. So duration, start date, and frequency, I would say monthly, occurring on, let's say, 5th of each month. Also, if this customer goes on direct debit, I can let system know that it records a payment into this particular bank automatically. However, direct debits can be cancelled by customer, and be mindful that if it records payment, your bank recs might be out of balance. So it's up to you. If you want, you can record the payment directly in the bank account once invoice is issued. I will say no payment in my case, and once you are happy, click save. So we can still edit or copy or also delete this recurring invoice, but this is a way how you can create a recurring sales invoices for customers.